Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel The Commerce Coach. So in the last or previous video we have seen till here. So हम लोगों ने यहाँ तक तो देख लिया था कि कॉन्ट्रावेशन अगर हम लोग करते हैं, इफ़ यू डू एनी कॉन्ट्रावेशन ऑफ द प्रोविजंस ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू डायरेक्टर, देन व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस दैट वी विल बी हैविंग टू फेस. नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड सेक्शन 155, सेक्शन 156. हमने 155, 156 कवर कर लिया था, बट वी डिड नॉट कवर और वी मिस्ड सेक्शन नंबर 152. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद सेक्शन नंबर 152 इन द कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ द लास्ट लेक्चर दैट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. तो जहाँ पे हमने छोड़ा था वहीं से कंप्लीट करते हैं आगे की तरफ. 152 आज स्टार्ट करेंगे. 155 और 156 हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है, ठीक है. तो 152 अब देखते हैं 152 सेक्शन है क्या एक्चुअली में. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इट सेज. सेक्शन 152 अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ डायरेक्टर. सो इट टॉक्स अबाउट अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ डायरेक्टर. See, if you contravene any provision of section 152, then the same fine is there which is for 155 and 156. Now section number 152 appointment of director. See, so we have at broader classification we can say we have two type of directors. So we have two type of directors. First of all we have first director, then we have subsequent directors. See, directors, let me tell you, director are the person who ultimately manages the company. तो कंपनी को अल्टीमेटली मैनेज जो करते हैं उन्हीं को हम लोग डायरेक्टर कहते हैं. दे हैव ऑल द पावर्स ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग विद देमसेल्फ. ओके, सो डायरेक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन है. ही इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन फॉर द कंपनी एंड each and every company must have director to run efficiently day-to-day business activities. Now question arises, if a company has just been incorporated, a fresh company, does it require directors? The answer is yes, because every company requires directors. Then how would this company appoint such directors? How would this company appoint such directors? Okay, so this question, to answer this question we have section number 152. So at broader level we can say that for this company which is freshly incorporated, the directors that will be known as first directors. What do we call them? First director. Okay, as the name says, they are the very first director of the company. ये कंपनी के सबसे पहले डायरेक्टर होते हैं, क्योंकि एक नई बनी हुई कंपनी के सर कोई भी डायरेक्टर होते ही नहीं हैं, बट कंपनी के लिए डायरेक्टर रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि वो अपना सारा काम कर सके. वी हैव स्टडीड दैट कंपनी हैज़ सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी, बट कैन कंपनी डू डे टू डे वर्क बाय इट्स ओन हैंड्स और बाय इट्स ओन फिजिक? The answer is no, because the company is in separate legal entity, but there are only the person who manages or who control over it, who has control over it, or who has ultimate control over it. Okay, so now how company appoint first directors? So we have two type of director, first directors and we have subsequent directors. For subsequent director we will be having a different lecture. Today we will be talking about first directors. So as you know that a company has two main documents known as AOA, Article of Association, and MOA, Memorandum of Association. These are the two vital elements for a company in the domain of document जो मेन होते हैं एक कंपनी के वो होते हैं AOA और MOA. इसके अंदर ही सारी बातें लिखी रहती हैं. AON and MOA holds all the things about the company, that how will it operate, what will the objective of the company, and so on. Okay, so now what does section number 152 says? It talks about first director. So if in your AOA, article of association, the name is mentioned that yes, As I said you, a company has AOA. AOA is a document governing everything. If in AOA the name has already been written that Mr. Sachin would be first director, then no problem is there. You can appoint Mr. Sachin easily because in AOA it is written. अगर AOA में ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि मिस्टर सचिन ही फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर बनेंगे और ये सारे डायरेक्टर्स फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर जो भी हैं उनमें से एक फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर मिस्टर सचिन बनेंगे, तो भाई फिर तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, आप डायरेक्टली उनको अपॉइंट कर लीजिए. ओके, सो इफ़ AOA सजेस्ट द नेम देन डायरेक्टली अपॉइंट such person, no problem is there. See, no problem is there. You can refer this chart for learning purpose. No problem is there. You will be very happy. Appoint such person, very easy if the name has been mentioned. But what if the name has not been mentioned? अगर नाम mention ही ना हो तो no name specified in AOA. No name has been specified in AOA. Now there is no name. See. Okay, the name has not been mentioned in AOA or specified in AOA. Does AOA contain any manner? Manner means how in which manner the director will be appointed. The director will be appointed. Does AOA contain a manner that how the director will be appointed? क्या AOA में ऐसा कोई तरीका बताया गया है जिसके फॉलो करके हम लोग डायरेक्टर को अपॉइंट कर सकें? अगर हाँ, if yes, then very good, very good, you will be happy. Appoint as per manner specified. Suppose in AOA it is written that the director will be appointed based upon lots, a draw of lots basically. So there will be a draw of lots or a function and everybody will participate, and whosoever have the lucky number will be appointed as a director for the company. ऐसा भी हो सकता है सर कि वो लॉट्स का तरीका अपना रहे हैं और वहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया फंक्शन, उसके अंदर हर एक बंदा आता है और जिसका भी लॉट निकलता है, लकी नंबर निकलता है, उसको ही वो डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट कर लेंगे. तो ये भी एक तरीका हो सकता है. Okay, so if manner specified in AOA, then go with the manner specified in AOA. There is no problem. But what if the manner has not been specified? It can also be happen that manner has not been specified in AOA, because in AOA there are certain things that we must have to include. Apart from those things, we have about directors, which may be written or may not be written. Now, no manner has been specified in AOA. Then what? See, very important sentence has been written here. अगर AOA में भी मेंशन नहीं है कोई तरीका कि कैसे उसे अपॉइंट करा जाए, तो भाई ये तरीका मैं आपको देता हूँ कि आप कैसे अपॉइंट करेंगे. All subscriber to MOA becomes first director until directors are duly appointed. See, as you know that for a public company, for a private company, there are certain number of subscribers at least required to form or incorporate. In the case of public company it is 7, in the case of private company it is 2. Now the first subscriber shall be 7 people, or plus promoter can also be a subscriber for MOA, promoter of the company, and the same applies in here. So the first subscriber to member and association will be appointed as directors, as first director. But the life of these first director will be till when duly directors are appointed. It means अगर आप अपॉइंट कर लेते हैं फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर को, मतलब जो भी आपके सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं MOA के, वो सभी के सभी फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर बन जाएंगे. नाउ वो कब तक बने रहेंगे? जब तक आप अपनी अच्छी तरह से डायरेक्टर को ड्यूली अपॉइंट नहीं कर लेते. वंस यू अपॉइंट डायरेक्टर ड्यूली, देन दीज फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर विल रिटायर. ओके, नाउ ऑल सब्सक्राइबर ऑफ MOA or to MOA becomes first director until directors are duly appointed. So basically directors are appointed into general meeting. So in other terms you can also say that first director shall have a period up to next general meeting or the date on which the directors are appointed. So basically in जनरल मीटिंग द डायरेक्टर्स आर अपॉइंटेड, जनरल मीटिंग में डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट होते हैं, तो हम लोग ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर जनरल मीटिंग अगली जनरल मीटिंग तक के लिए परफॉर्म करेंगे अपनी ड्यूटी. ओके, सो वी हैव सीन some of the conditions. See, if the name of first director has been mentioned in AOA, then very good. If the name of first director has not been mentioned in AOA, then okay. Then you will see the manner. If the manner has been specified, okay, very good, go with the manner specified. If the manner has also not been specified, then all the subscriber to MOA becomes the first director until the directors are duly appointed. Super easy thing. For subsequent directors, as I said you, that for subsequent director we will be doing it later or a little time later. Okay, now notes with this chart. I recommend you, आपको मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, रिकमेंड करना चाहूँगा कि आप सारी चीज़ें राइट कर लें. I will share this PDF with you guys, but please also write it in your copy or somewhere else so that you can remember it for a longer period of time. चलिए सर, आपको अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर के बारे में बातें. अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. नाउ वी आर मूविंग फर्दर. सी, वी आर मूविंग टू नोट्स नाउ. As the case of OPC, in the case of OPC, see, we have public company, we have private companies, and in private company we have a part of private company known as OPC. OPC is also a private company but having certain, or you can say different elements or different features other than private company. Okay, so as the case of OPC, if it is the case of OPC, only one member shall be deemed as first director until directors are duly appointed, because OPC has only one member or only one subscriber to MOA at the first, because the company of OPC can be formed with one person only. That is why the subscriber to MOA will be one person only. OPC भाई साहब एक ही कंपनी OPC जो है वो एक ही इंसान से फॉर्म करी जा सकती है, तो सब्सक्राइबर टू मेमोरेंडम भी एक ही इंसान होगा और वही एक इंसान फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर भी बन जाएगा. ओके, द सेम पर्सन शैल बी द फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर हु हैज़ इनकॉर्पोरेटेड द कंपनी. नाउ generally the directors are appointed into general meetings by shareholders. So basically, as I have told you, subscriber to MOA, or we can say shareholders, has voting rights. Basically equity shareholders has voting right, and they will select the director in the general meetings. Okay, now for appointment provisions under section 153 must be fulfilled. Okay, under section 153 all the provisions must be fulfilled. So today we are seeing section number 152, and there is also relevance with section number 153 as we have did earlier. See, this was the section number 153. Every individual who intends to appointed as a director of a company shall make an application to central government electronically with prescribed fee. Okay, so we got the point. If you have not seen the video, if you have not seen the last video, you must seen it, you must watch it, because it contains some of the basic things. Now this condition simply says that you must have DIN. As I told you that the very first requirement to be a director in a company is DIN, directors identification number. सबसे पहली जो requirement है वो director identification number होती है डायरेक्टर बनने के लिए. तो 153 यही कहता है कि डायरेक्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर आप कैसे ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं. तो 153 के हिसाब से आपके पास डायरेक्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट ऑब्टेन डायरेक्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर टू बी अपॉइंटेड एज फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर. सी, आई टोल्ड यू दैट फॉर becoming a director, whether first, whether subsequent, you must hold DIN. The first requirement to be a director of any type is DIN. Now form DIR2 shall be filed by the person intends to be appointed as a director, stating his consent. However, this does not apply in the case of director being appointed by CG. So in certain cases CG can appoint the directors. CG can appoint the director for the company. In such a case, the director appointed by CG, see, government itself appointed a director, then he does not have to file the consent to CG, because consent has to be filed from the individual to company and to ROC as well in the DIR 2. But if CG is appointing such person, then ultimately CG will know that this person has been appointed as director, so he would not be required to intimate ROC and company. ओके तो क्या बात है यहाँ पे कि जब इंडिविजुअल हम लोग अपने डायरेक्टर के रूप में उसको रखते हैं तो उसे इंटीमेट करना पड़ता है कंपनी को भी और आरओसी को भी, और आरओसी अल्टीमेटली गवर्नमेंट का एक पार्ट है, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज, ठीक है, जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स के अंदर आता है। लेकिन अगर सीजी के द्वारा कोई डायरेक्टर अपॉइंट करा गया है तो उस केस के अंदर कोई भी DIR नंबर 2 फॉर्म भरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सीजी के द्वारा ही आप अपॉइंट करे गए हो, तो सीजी को पता है। आप फॉर्म इसलिए भरते हो ताकि सीजी को पता चल सके कि हाँ हम लोग इस कंपनी में डायरेक्टर हैं, बट सीजी को ऑलरेडी पता है क्योंकि सीजी ने ही आपको उस कंपनी में अपॉइंट करवाया है। देन यू विल नॉट बी रिक्वायर्ड टू फिल DIR फॉर्म नंबर 2। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन। Rotation of directors. So this is our next topic, rotation of directors. We will be doing it into the next video.